Hello, good people, once again, with a matte screen model. This happens to be a nuvi 56, I think. Yes, nuvi 56. No traffic on this one. Just a plain old 56 LM. Let me just mute this. Okay, brightness. Let's talk about that for a second. A peculiar quirk with only matte screen models. This doesn't really apply to capacitive screens so much. At least I've never seen it apply to capacitive screen. Is how to give yourself a little brightness advantage. And I'll show it to you in just a second. But after I show this to you, bear in mind this differs depending on what generation and what year your nuvi was made. Okay, so let's just say you have a matte screen like this one. It's a little dim. You have it on maximum brightness, which I do. Okay, maximum brightness. Not quite bright enough, though. You're like, okay, is there a way I can make it a little brighter? Watch this green field up here. Ready? There we go. I just tilted it down. That's all I did. And notice when I tilt it back, it gets dimmer. The more that I almost black now. Yeah. So I tilt it down. Let me just zoom in a little bit. There we go. You can really see it. See that? Okay. But like I said a moment ago, this depends on which nuvi you have and what year it was made, what generation and such. So I have to give like a very small history lesson here, just very small. Okay. When these screens, these navigators first came out, whether it's Garmin, TomTom, Magellan, remember all the old ones that used to be out there? Okay. These were made on the expectation that you were going to mount this screen in higher on the windshield, meaning at about eye level. That's what these things were originally designed for. So what happens is that, and you'll even see this, by the way, in old reviews on YouTube. You'll see people with the screen high on the glass, like right in the middle. Yeah, basically directly in the center of the windshield. That's what it was. It sounds stupid now, but that's how it was designed, okay? So what they did is because windshields are on an angle towards you, they made it so that you had to tilt these down slightly to get the best viewing angle. And that is why when it goes down a little bit, it brightens up slightly. However, and here's the crazy part, is that some of them get brighter when you tilt it back. Because as time went on, laws were passed. They said, no, in certain U.S. states and around the world and such, no, you're not supposed to mount anything on the windshield. I was like, oh, drat, what do we do? Garmin's saying. Well, okay, let's make it so that you have to tilt it forward. So if it was like, let's say, I'm sorry, let's just have, instead of tilting it forward, you have to tilt it back. On the assumption you were mounting it lower on the glass. So depending on which one you have and what year it was made, yeah, it's either going to get brighter tilted forward, which is most of them, or tilted back. A straight dead-on angle usually does not result in the best brightness for your eye. It's usually true. Like I said, it really doesn't apply to capacitive. Really doesn't, because you can more or less get that from any angle. Oh, I should say this. What if you're using this, let me just switch it over first. In portrait view, what then? Okay, well, this is actually an interesting one, because now instead of having to tilt it forward, as in the top towards me, I have to, when I turn it like this, I have to angle it more to the right. So what happens is that instead of tilting it forward to get more brightness out of this screen on this particular model, if I do portrait mode like this, I have to tilt it slightly to the right, and then I get the best brightness out of this thing. And I'm just switching back. Okay. But being the majority of people use this in landscape mode, let me just zoom back a little bit again. They're doing this. They put it on the glass, low on the glass, and they're like, oh, I want some more brightness. That's when you have to just go down a little, not much, just a little bit. You can see it happen on this. That's why I have this showing the green field. You can totally see it happening. Even though this phone is compensating for the brightness, it's still, you can still, let me get right in there. Yeah, if I tilt this back, yeah, you can see it's still, well, okay, the phone's compensating a little too much now. Let me back off a little bit. Yeah. You can see it getting brighter. All has to do with the angle.